Good morning students, hope you all are fine. I hope you have done your previous CWO related to reading the calendar. Today we will solve question number 165 and 166 texting zone related to reading the calendar. Dear students, write CW date and day on your book. Question number 6 is, look at this calendar, then answer the questions below. Question number A is, Lena is going for a picnic with her friends on the third Saturday of this month. Which date does the picnic fall on? Here you can see the column showing Saturdays. First Saturday is on 5th of June. Second Saturday is on 12th of June. And the third Saturday is on 19th of June. So we will write 19th of June. B. Nick's birthday is 1 week from the last Friday of the month. When is Nick's birthday? Here you can see the last Friday is on 25th June. And the 1 week from the last Friday will be second last Friday of this month. And the second last Friday is on 18th June. So we will write 18th June. C question is, Joy School is holding their sports event 6 days after the second Tuesday of the month. When is the sports event? Here you can see second Tuesday is on 10th of June and the 6 days after second Tuesday of this month is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14th of June. So we will write 14th June. Question number 7 is, look at this calendar, then answer the questions below. A part is, when is the date of the second Tuesday of the April? We will see in April and the Tuesday column. Second Tuesday is on 10th of April. B part is, what day of the week does Independence Day fall on? Independence Day means 14th of August. Here you can see 14th of August is on Tuesday. Dear students, move on the page number 166. C part is, how many months of the year have 5 Saturdays in them? We will again see in this calendar. Here you can see 5 Saturdays in March, June, September and December. So we will write the names of these months here. Is this a leap year and why? Which year is called a leap year? Yes, a year having February month with 29 days. And here you can see February has 29 days. So yes, because February has 29 days. 8th question is, Bubbles drew the hands of clock below to show 5 minutes to 5 o'clock. Did Bubbles draw the hands correctly? Explain your answer. Dear students, as we have learned telling and reading the time, you can see 5 minutes to 4 in this clock because the hour hand is not closer to 5. So we will write, no, he did not, because our hand should be on 5. Dear students, do this CW on your books with pencil neatly. And fun zone is your homework. First you try fun zone by yourself and then match your answers with these given answers. Good luck students.